Good day. This video is a tutorial on how to use Madrid Goods and Services Manager as a tool for easy classification of your goods and services. Currently, we are using the 11th edition of the NICE classification. So let's get started. You go to our website, ipo.gov.tt, and navigate to the online services. After which, you click on the Madrid Goods and Services Manager. Depending on the goods or services for which protection is being sought, you enter the keyword or words in the search bar and the results will come up. Take, for example, stationery. After clicking search, you'll notice that all the results will pop up on your screen. You go through the citations there to choose the most applicable wording and class for your purposes. So if you intend to use stationery, you see all the options for stationery. Let's use another example. Clothing. Again, you click on search. You notice there are clothing in all different classes, but of concern, if you go back up, if you look at the results coming up, you'll notice that clothing is in class 25, but there's an asterisk next to it. What that means is that this citation cannot be accepted by itself as it's generic. What you have to do is you have to scroll through all the results and choose the correct citation for the type of clothing you want protected. It should be noted, however, that class headings from the NICE classification is not acceptable. Therefore, it is advised to use the Madrid Goods and Services Manager for proper identification of your goods and services. For further inquiries, the office can be contacted via email, our social media pages, and via the telephone for further guidance.